Yeah, hello everyone. Happy Sunday to you guys. Happy Sunday. Happy Sunday. It's your one and only Princess Evie Ebriyo Obaseki Edemakunta. I am the CEO of Obaseki and Edemakunta Youth Foundation. So please share me out. Just share this video out. Share this video out. Share this video out. Yeah, hello. Yeah, I did. Oh, scheiße. So guys, share me out. Share me out. Yeah, hello. Yeah. I'm fine. I'm alive. Yeah. Hi guys. Hi everyone. Please share this video out. Please share this video out. Please, please, please. It's going to be boom. Share it out. Share it out. Ciao, ciao, ciao. Share it out. Share it out. Happy Sunday to you guys. It's a wonderful day. It is really, really awesome to be with you guys today. I'm telling you. Please share, share, share. Share out, share out, share out, share out. Okay. Share out, so share out, share out. Share out, share out, share out. Share out the amount to eat, share out. Hello everyone, happy Sunday. It's your one and only Princess Evie. Share this video out and invite others. It's going to be boom. I'm replying to some people. Hello. Is that yes? You're not laughing. YouTube here. Oh well. Oh well. YouTube. Share out. Ciao. So guys, share it, share it, share it. Share it, so share it, invite others. Not just enjoy this thing alone. Share today. We're going to hear words. Today's topic, as you can see there, we are going to be talking about consequences in every action you possess in your life. There is always a consequences for it. So it's high time we this message is going to many of our Benin presenters, not just only but all presenters. So it's going to be boom. You know, people people have been asking question, what's happening? Why Sister Ivy is not taking any action? Why is she mute? Why is she this? Hi guys, how do I look? Hope I look fine. Please share it out. You know, so people have been saying, what is happening? This woman is not going, is not doing anything, you know. So topic is consequences of lying. Yeah, for those of you that are asking what is today's topic, it's consequences of lying, to lie against someone or to say something you are not sure of. To say something you are not sure of. Something that you know that this thing you are not sure of it at all. Don't say it. Something that you know that you are not you can't defend when you are called to others. When you are called to order, you know this thing, you know if it defend them. Once they don't carry you go beyond. You understand? Hello everyone, back to sender. Happy Sunday. Thank you guys for joining. Bella Peace, thank you. I will appreciate you guys. Ugo Cosmos, thank you. Thank you, thank you. I love you guys. If you're not loving, waiting, I go gain. If you're not loving, waiting, I go gain. No. Consequences of lying. Lying against someone that you know at the end you can't defend it. Don't even try it. Don't go for it. Because it will not all go well. It will cost you, your life. It will cost you things that you have acquired, things that you have labored for, things that you have suffered for. It will surely cost you. Things that you cherish most in your life, it might cost you. Because in the process of lying against somebody, you see that that person might end up losing his or her own life as well. You understand? In the process of lying against that person, that same person might end up losing his or her life. You understand? It might end up losing his or her life because maybe after you've lied, then at the end of the day, the lie will not, maybe that person will not sentence that person to death. And you know in your heart, your conscience will not allow you to rest because why? You've lied against some person. And that person, unfortunately, as luck might have it, that person that might be sentenced to death and he is innocent of it. You know it can cost someone's life. So lying against somebody is a very big crime. So if you don't know today, no. Lying is a big crime to anybody. So before we go, I want to tell you, because some people used to, sorry, I'm coming. Some people used to read Bible. I have it as well. I want to tell you guys what the Bible says about lying. Just go to the book of Matthew chapter 5 verse 25. I get Bible for you. We will go. Then you go see the consequences of lying. Here. Matthew 5:25. He say, angry with the adversary quickly, while thou art in the way with him, lest at any time the adversary deliver thee to the judge, and the judge deliver thee to the officer, and thou be cast into prison. Verily I said unto you, this is the Lord saying, oh, verily I say unto thee, thou shalt be no me come out, hence till thou hast paid the uttermost price. The uttermost price. In the book of Matthew chapter 5 verse 25. Settle quickly with your adversary. Who are your adversary? Your adversary are your enemy. Your adversary are the people that you have issue with. Your adversary are the people that you are quarreling with. That you know that at the end of the day, that thing you are saying about your adversary, which are your enemies, might cost you your life. Might cost you the life of your children. Might cost the life of your loved ones. You understand? So, it is better you don't do it at all. You know? It is better you don't even do it. So, settle quickly with your adversary. Settle. If you say the matter, don't they go beyond. Quickly settle around. So that the matter don't go beyond. Because if you don't quick settle around, if the matter don't go beyond, no reverse. No reverse. I'm telling you, no reverse. No reverse. There is no way you can reverse it. There is no way you can, I don't know how to put it to your understanding. There is no way you are going to get away with it. You understand? Blackmailing. To blackmail someone. You know that this thing you are doing, you are blackmailing somebody. But you prefer to do it. Why? Because you feel that it's normal. I want to get viewers. I say, I have to finish viewers. Go your pack on poor. No, it is not done that way. So there are more to it. You understand? There are more to it. In everything you are doing on this earth, there are more to it. So try as much as possible not to go to that extent or say things you are not sure of to anyone. Because you might say it to me, I might look over it, I might ignore it, but do you know the other person
might not. That person, if you not ignore it, if you take action, you know, the consequences of your actions speak louder than any other thing. You understand? So please, I want to use this meeting to appeal to everyone that whatever you are doing on this earth, be sure about it. Be quite sure about it that this thing I'm going to do, I am sure. I am going to do it. And also, no, no, sooner. But at the end of the day, when we're winning here, what are you thinking? What are you thinking? What do you think is the reaction of people that you have lied against? What do you think? How do you think these people will feel? How do you think these people will react to what you have did to them? Please share this video out. Let it go viral. Because today is going to be war. Today is the beginning of my reaction. And I've already taken holiday for it. Maybe for the next 1 month, I might not go to work. So I have time to deal with this situation. It's worth it. But people don't know. It's worth it. It's worth it. My action will be justified. Why? Because it's worth it. So if you have issue with anybody, don't just go and please subscribe and press the notification button so you can be notified anytime, any day. You know? So, you know, just get as it go be. Where you yourself go there satisfied, where you go relax. Say, I don't do this person this thing, no. Hey, I don't know. Maybe this thing I do this person now. We don't know what it go happen, no. You know you yourself, you know what they're comfortable. You understand? You will never be comfortable. You should get it clear. You will never be comfortable. Like who comfortable? Why are comfortable? We want to no what time your man and on one taking when you are standing in your presence, they are crucifying that person, they want to kill that person, they want to put that person to death. Take where he and they me what now this little thing where you talk so. Now they want to kill this person for you understand, but you might not understand. You might not understand. The consequences of lying is what we are going to talk about today. And I'm going to show you all the consequences. I'm not going to hide it. Please, I know that maybe she might not hear the Agama lizard. Please, you should help me to invite her. Nere dokata ya domwe bogbiye. Agi domwe bogboma. Wa we mi. I was way openly so that all the day clear. Go see they clear for everybody. Say yes, so and let me say this way they talk about this person, na lie or na truth. You not go figure lie against person, me go relax, go to sleep. Who does that? Where for happen? Or when you were my me, what to my second and away. Je ne canana wa je na se vanina. E canana wa we je na. You know? So Emaya, everybody that's contributed in one way or the other to fight against me for not just cause. Because even when I start to react, I look at myself, I say, this is not me. Yeah, I say, this is not me. Why will I react to this action? How did I get here? You know, I started regretting all my actions. I said, this is what I am supposed to have done, you know. But for God to have it, I sit down. It took me a really long time to go this step, to step on this step that I am today, to take this step. I waited long. Somebody called me, begged me, said, please, my sister, leave this issue. Please, forgive, forget. I said, okay. The only way I will forgive and forget, the only way when I feel they forgive and forget. Now, the same way when those people sit there, come out, say, this is what we talk for this woman body, so now lie, oh. Now play with them, oh. Now joking matter, oh. You know, I will say, well, it's normal. Or How you go sit down? Person when your fair insult your family. You no insult you at all. You never insult your family. You go just get up. You begin to insult that person, mama and papa. Never, who is not there with you guys. Initially, when I came out newly, when I talked about, the topic was Walawa. Make una enter house. I never make measurement of anybody's name. I never call a name. I never say Gladys Amadi Lawa. I never say Stella Samadi Lawa. I never say Loveto Dion Dokbolo Lawa. I never make measurement of anybody's name. If you know that you are not doing anything, say you see the eye where I think they look one person and not see that eye where they this corner, you get person where they use and they look. Yes. Now person now they use and they look, so that you go no say they look am. So you know if you get up, say this woman. That's what you do. That's what you know do. When you know that it is not real, stop it. The consequences is bad. You won't like it. Even you yourself, you go too ugly. The consequences go too ugly for you to even stand. Say, I don't know, say this thing go be like this, so it go too ugly for you. It go too ugly. Then you yourself will say, Hije, you think it's everybody you just like this. Oh, I have here 1 more to take pillow. I pray, he pray any more to take pillow. He might more to take pillow, be. He try. He more to take pillow. Edio do ye. Social media na mana do e. Mana deal with it, mana trash it, mana sweep it out. No, why ne bo no ya mu me ya mo remain na e onita. Ya be the video ma wa. Ok ba va ene. Iwa mo be wa mo nyagbe because why did I do it? Because it's coming too much. It's coming unfair. It's getting too much for some of our presenters. We're getting of your dog bola been name. Baby no waji o ye select o ye tuze. God for go ya video we made it. Interdress me ma when ya video do the day we have in Facebook. So everybody we care we not do agu megun. Eva we tell we got me. We poto o we care. We poto. So when I walk poto they will not do I want to social media. Oh, you love it. No, we not do we know na go kwa no we on the social media. Me to work be we select. I want no spell to me no rest the street with what call you. O kan o ani hin. Ya gbo egbe. E ba me lad no we take care of. Ya is a drag you is a bolo. Who egbo ye bolo. One after the other in Yahweh. Is so work by. So I do make an way, yes. Not by no way. Our social media matter, no. It wants a boy. Wow, when we are your setting. We social media matter, no. Wow, the police are your yes, but when you do anything about, how much me? Understand me now? So at the end of the day, we social media matter, on social media gra. Ya tama we na ka vevon ri na teta et ya fie we dey you obo as far as maka o tie we maka sukuru no sugbo maka so ni we ma tie bogwe when agbo maybe you have contribute but I social media dey ya contribute owo me wala wa meze yo to ona ewo na ewe so ma bege emi danita amagwe onori se no na do ri ewe ladian aga itiono na we because scheiße. So, and I just relaxed. Now when I just do my work, they go, I think, and they calculate. So let me now can't go back, can't go play the video, say, make I really see where for fake cause these people. Where warrant say, na me. Now they come. They did the rope poto because I'm not near you. Wala why must anyway. Anywhere gele la wa. Boy not see na here na so warok bagbe. When boy ye ni me we video, picture me we video. Bo na mo gbo na here na so wagbe. Ina gele so ni well job where We're not to love it. Oh, don't bolola wa. Oh, you know where we're not to love it. Ich na do hu ela wa. Ebona ati na swagbe ya nwie wa. Ugwe ya nwie no magume vati nyane kwa. I'm telling you. Oh, me na eti Gladys Amadi la wa. Oh, Gladys Amadi ti na do hu ela wa. Ebona ati na swagbe anwe wurion. But any other very on get prepared. They don't know what ladzian. What walking? Are we annoying? What's here, gume? Obia yo no abia yo. Who does that? You wear me. You wear me here. Cause what my value erugwa. Why erugwa same na di yuwe? Erugwa masi tabo na di yuwe. Wa nek ben wakere. Omo no nek ben okere. Ero ye egbo me. When you have a reputation to protect, you will not insult other people's family. Yes, you will not start it. Because why is when it arrive tie gera bi jouer. Ugbe me maka tie gera ugbe maka tie gi jouer. Abia viele le no ro no. E do vie no ge tama we. Ibe ka be ro vie ra bi jouer. I ka le tie bo, ibe tie bo gwe a. E do vie no momo na da bie. So momo na da bie e. E tama we. So momo na da bie e tama we. Ite mo ve ma we a. E o. Una vez la diam na oh hey una so anwe no wera ere said na we ya do kwonye e kwonye gwa na I did they talk Vivian na wu no ro ina call e we video I called her. Let me use the word my beg I got to agborion ata wulele. That is just the issue, and that is the consequences of lying. That is the consequences of, you know, owo amoma na ya mwe bono to gboma ena miewo na hin o wa miena where ya mwe bo where everybody is entitled to his opinion where ya mwe bo when me mwe bo na where ya mwe we when me ave tie where ya tie but wait tie say why they tie no mo just show me the case we na tie sa correct we no we tie say awa tie so say you mo me the case me na tie say why you correct why we go ari tie we ya mwe bo we we tie. Somebody just sent me a video of Vivian Nawu. I remember seeing video of Vivian Nawu. I've been a proca for Evusian Aproko. That's the first time I said, you know, me on the watch of these people. So as I can't say, I have a message to Sevilla. What we can make on Nawu, Vivian Nawu. But I want to name Malamishia. Okay, no problem. And now I reckon way you could win or ya go. Onaga Guanya. Me make it be where we wonu where we salo where we wonu na where we see adi only you we so me say in Nigeria una adi America no do constitute nuisance una do agumegwa when matter reply we when no say the reply because I was coming to take and do wagba and every day na boni mubu so na te dok patie understand even now. So after she don't do that video you dey watch her cause say what is do Vivian on Nawu? The next thing I hear from her mouth, apart from say all this video, where she just talk all this nyama rubbish or khodoga you know any where again where market woman. I'm a market woman. I'm a market seller. I am proud of it. Oh Monaco kowa. Oh mono nwa wo terodo. Oh mono nwa we tamawe. Adio be. Ya no. Adio go baseki the ring road. Ya no. Eva na bi me. Even na you kato ya no adi ekpenede ya no ba 90 ekpenede adi eva ya no when ya beli ma akoki mase cause a family as em ya na one ama koki maria ama koki ma you we gra yo gare iji be ma mo deva okay do wu na gbigbi agia esunu ya no ivieri me ivie wala ko we vie wala ka ya no eni onyo eri me ni ataba we dama wali be eri me ma gbene sikpe de we my father no you will pray to have a father like my father so disciplined and so truthful umi le cannot tell we at your family meeting eri be man say ba ni egba awo wa ge wala kare ne cause you don't do it matter ere o resevani eri va e o na wa gbe mi lo wa te no tan o jibata e wo pa ati e po ma to to di va we na mu yere. That is my father. Abije vegi no o kuone ko do so to ko no dueki ya kokemon ya gban ya nde bije vegi be slaughter ero egbe ya newe bo ton sa ero egbe eke la me je me do e mani vie do e ma lele dueki nobody my Joji if Vivian want to say in one of in that video, or when somebody has bring my matter to her, that I stole laptop, Vivian na agbomozeria, I don't mean no roko. Also nyazo, ose onyazo. So umwegbe, ose onyazo. Oh my dear, edove, oh man, edove. Somebody tell you say, so. Who got your money? No, you came on the social media. Okay, when you cut tie, I said it from the beginning that way. If you some of you, if you are not careful enough, this thing called social media will bring us down. We take life, blood we share. But you people did not believe me. I said it will result to this. Let's use our initiative. But you people said no. Instead of, people started calling me names. Vivian Awu, you said somebody have given you my ID for a long time that I stole laptop. Many VA stole laptop. I'm coming. Okay, let me call this person first. Think they are calling me. Okay, let me call back. I'm with you now. You pick. Okay, let me call direct. So you said somebody told you that I stole laptop. When I did social media, una do tie. Uma call even, no know me. So una do tie worry nya zona nia. Many viena gele ya do laptop in moment where high. Yeah, hello? Yeah, I hear you. Okay, pardon, mon n'est pas non. Dommons, oh yeah, c'est ça, dommons ça. Dommons. Il est live, oh, yeah. Goumè, goumè, minuta. Video signé mien, non. Il m'a checké, il a checké, bon. Mais il y a des fois, c'est des, il m'a son nom est Saint-Direct, goumè, ni check any tiwa with it. Ni okay. So as I'm talking to you now, you guys are already in the shrine. Why we are more bo? Why we tear it? Maybe you tear. You understand? Oui, mais y a deux laptops in mo. Yeah, Eva. Come back. Oui, y a deux laptops in mo, Vivian. How we so? I will wear so I can not do any laptop in my bien phone, you know. I will wear so when Vivian. Hello? Only 2 videos I don't see. Said they come make all of them enter. Just they send one after the other. Okay now. Now let's 2 I don't see. Then we can send the ray. Okay now. As I take do. Set and I do Amabi. Okay, no problem. All right. Ciao. So today, as I were Bonenia, Vivian, oh say, no say boué. Oh say, alama bossele boué. Alama here bossele boué. And social media ne katamwa. You woman wa so here yo. E sagiwa, ahia social media, why so wamana dwenwa esagi wakia pole social media na iwo na ene no yekeko we na egboko giwu uga he wo enu yekeko egboko giwu wa wu nwe gbegbe mu iwo ma gbegbe we no laja do mbe bogbe vie ma we jere we memo we no ta Where my bug be and the word of your well. Who does that? When you have my bug be and who ready a bonny yak only where? I want a polinia of your got because we're gonna have you when we value you where you will not. Who damn way? Ya my bug be my way, or my be me, or my be me. I'ma be many. So, remember me, nigga. It's at the bank, nigga. So, on our way, yamu matame ni yobo. Ni edo time social media yi do laptop mu. O ki amu ve bo, o ki an ve gwa wa hwe. No do ya take ni na do laptop mu. O we ase gwa. No we jia. A u we ya. Abi ka me ka e puru no so gbugbu ya me te ti we. Me ve so ni we a we Vivian na wa. So, immediately I called her. Man, you quickly throw more light on that word. Immediately I called her and I asked her, I said, Vivian, what did concern you? What did do you? Why you mention my name? Why you call me? She said, the thing. Anyway, on that time, she was talking about Melissa Yowe. Talking of Erigwe in not stainless. I want to know when we were educative. I want to know when we were no trauma. When we were yes, could be. I want to know when no but all the trauma. And when you got money from bet, and I don't know child money to adults. What ye? Madam Ovasabi as wife. Madam too educated because we're America. When I saw me say, when I America, umataki wewa. Why you America? We don't view well like me. I don't know responsible here. All the America view like me. Where's more? Where do I think about America? Who does that? Who does that? We are the good many of you going with my own. Let me know. We are me no who where me no who where. That way me know who where. Why you will lack zia? Do good many gallants. Mama, where do good me go? I go down one ya. Ma wear class. Who wear America? Come on, wear class. We are but webo. Ma what wear the la webo? Egbo mama me yala webo. Me mado basha wo go ask. Egbo wo ha me yala webo. Enyo we mu Mary. Yes. Challenge no. Challenge. What was that challenge? A body me ate mare. Ona gba je webo. He said he are in Nigeria don't be any amara webo and not backbolile. And not sekia. Because why? E need kwalo me bemeno. In not backbolile. It is a webo. Then do tamame we. E don't know. Wamamwe. When I cut your buggy me, when I cut your go. They did crown it all. We do lot of people money call you. Where is Segwane? Where is Sawe Konorwene? We are Tamia. Cannot do lot of my office did not do him. Office not reach you wet and where if ye, Princess, if ye, you don't count laptop for ye. Mam, you was a in if I reject Bedenani, also Nyazo. So immediately I called her, she does say, who is this? I have the record is with me because he had anybody it record it was recording. Mostly now who when me done it do record where I was seeing. So I see it do recording. So at the end of the day, man, he worry. You know what? Overlook oh, your mother day, I not just know. Like say I know, you know quick call me. Like say you first call me. I for not do that video. That was your word. You got bad way. If you don't go to talk, but you don't go to web and you me. Like say you first call me. No, go tell me so you want to do video concerning me. Where I will call you say Vivian, not do video concerning me. How am I talking? Because when I just come out, people, even she herself, she just love the way I cut the talk. She can say, this person does see come out to thank God they go see talk to these people. That was your statement. He said, but later, me got change. I can't go join Monica. That's what you told me. You got bawe, way to be me. When I are dead by Monica, that is the anger of everybody. You know what? Nah, like seriously? Excuse you? Yes. That Monica is the person that they want to bring that in. Yeah, no lawa because of money. But over clear where. You know what they clear where Monica they clear where Victoria. Now where all those things? Now Wesha, even yata when you so yeah when in a video that he can call in before then. You know what again well bye. You my ended the call that very day. I ended it. So who ready nya we do gbe bata? Who do gbe bata zo? E go do we from America ni. Ma who we ado ya make case nya. Ya have police re. Who we have police are you me ya the address mu e police. E ga gele ya do laptop moving with tiny. We do go dey Vivian tie. Because you know what me now. Ma won ma we. Me ga gele ya do laptop mu. Who ready? E bonati na. Oyan. Ene no way. Ogbi many vie. Ogbi many princess vie eriyo ogbi me. Oh, me ma do laptop mu. Me ma ekra na do me laptop. When I go time with social media, Ebona is a boy. Oh, you go well over here. Oh, ogbe mume. Ogbe mo ya mume you are. Because you are a very stupid human being. You are the most stupid human being I've ever set my eyes on in this world. Worry zuase, worry wase. That's a bad man. So, only what way. Only now we talk about way. Ana hina. Yeah, hello. Hello. Hi. Why are you saying like this? Are you not there? No, sir. Where are you? Okay. So it's my husband is telling me not to shout, not to fight. Excuse me, guys, I'm coming. I am coming. Yo, when you take binavena, I take binavena. I take binavena. I obey the binavena. Ik ben uit der Agwata. Scheiße, was hab ich gemacht? Scheiße. Oh nein. Sorry guys. Sorry guys, I'm coming. I want to get some fresh air. Please share this video out. Please just share it. Then another running. A liquid rubber. Oh, you know what we read from nowhere. Hey, what we call him? Iga can call you. Anna, please don't call that line. If you want to call here. A liquid rubber, no rubber, no ladian. What ladian? Biri. Anna, so please, guys. Sorry. I'm coming. Yeah, video call now. Okay. Sorry guys, let me pick this call. Hello? Oh, no. Yeah. Okay. Like. Please guys, hold on. Like.
Okay, okay, okay. Thank you. So let me take another one call. Sorry. Okay. Thank you very much. I saw it. Yes. Okay, I will do. Okay. Okay. All the videos are here now. So we are going to be playing it one after the other, but not now. I So everybody, like as I've said, everybody here waiting all of the say. Some say I marry I'm robber. We go rob. I kill somebody there. They can't go my house, go kill my mother with gun. So everybody know the group of people will talk them. So now Juju don't come. So they will come go deny for their self, whether na truth or na lie. If me myself see do am, we go here. When they read comment, sha. Who's that? Hello, my lady. Eh? Hey, mama, your speaker. Okay. Okay. Thank you. So, no. So, are we yara? Marie Rane, because no my message in Europe, message in Togo viral. Are we yara? Manak boymawa, manak belemawa. Marik belemawa ne, e manigi so wima. Yana bijeme wena so si fijime we. Yana fiere ko. Iji radia bari ave look very good. E wala ro. Aso boy egbenene. So, umwegbe. Where the awe agakin rima we give. So, ajena. So, okay. I will see. Really appreciate it. Okay. Thank you, darling. Thank you, everyone. So, no, Yahweh be. Aya boy nedo. Uga na uwe. Wo mame. Because the we Yahweh ni. Omani eti o wa gbegbe wa. Omani wune sage money oru wo hun. Consequences. The consequences of lying. Blackmailing. Wait, it was a blackmail, only what the boy electrical bewa. Or better one you wouldn't sag your money and regbewe. They will hear again. I be nobody ever boy America. Then every talk show. I been with talk show. Ik ben at here where. Wave I say gagui. Wave. Oh. Sorry guys, I beg. Something came up. Yeah? Eh? Yeah? Eh? No. No. Okay. I see say they wash. Come on there. I'll be the echo for them. Okay. Huh? Okay. Ciao, I beg come on for my life. I lie. Okay, now I don't hear you. Ciao.
You understand? It's so painful. Odoma, wa amiewe, ijuwe, na matia bonade na ya bio, ivu, ije no bijime. Imadove wo hamijime to zuo. Ama iwe, onwa no ma denjime. Uwa ladian, ugo sise ya gbewa. Even di gbagbe na ma ti gbavu nuwe wubetai. O ma ti gbavu nuwe. Sis o ma ti gbavu nuwe, o mo egbenia. Egesene. From anyway, ni atem no bungbe. Then, everything na result di kwa. Ima me kporu no sugbe we o. Uwi be gwe. Ne bi lady gwan. Una be ladian. No the son George and family me. Record me yard of you we already do the legbe ari egwa. Record me ka. We na do hage of yeri me. Uwe ki of yeri me wina. Me de to be kale ya dan we. Mama, I say gwane. Aga yen kene kede owe ekio yeri menwina eri me eri oga agbele manwa eri yeri me ga agbele manwa ni ma ti gbavu nu gbavu gbetai o ma kwa wevunu una wa tai eta owe so eta we da viera eti ma gbo viera wa eti ma gbo visual wa betuno wa ladin una do tai okay as far as we get taleni ya nena wana ya relax. The one of the few one time, or what a pillow do sweep even your fefe to take pillow, or the real nya of ye. One of who does that. Masunu then ya. Oh, that's it me what you jadna. Yakoro Janik Bay. That's even what on Tago Maham one white bina. Why can't do your men? Me have a beggar guanana tiger. A Casiawe or Kaura, or give a gui, or give a seva, or a dollar. Or a rob it said the video needed the mede. Ah, no wahala. Then I read do very only me ya we me. E bonari ti e be so gbagbenia. Better na me ori te do very only we aro e fa agbe oge asibato wa dolo. O gege wari e bone. E ri oje wari e bone. Because ma so ni yere won ropa. Wo ona lawa, no balawa, no batota yo wa. Wo wi me wa je a. O ga wo me mi agbonu wa to ta so mi jage e kede na yale me kona lawa. Mama oni magin no na alema o yan bibiedo agalema yan bibiedo agalema bibiedo be sunne no wala o ku bibiedo be sunne o se wala wa kegerio do wa hime me no wa yanta o wana so jump ne nya me hime so jump o me na wa ready yime go pa. Okay, the last video. Okay, no wala. So the last video, let me see whether I feel play one before we'll see continue. Can't download the bomb. This way. Don't get voice for this thing. What's happening? That's one akbe. My dad here born no was on la dia. Na mo me picture. Na so we na so go. Na ga go na ge we na go do rioka. We go na agbe kitsa. Oh. Yeah, boy. Isaya we are wa gbiseyo wa gbiseyo wa gbiseyo oni wowo ni wa gbiseyo agagele mie ige eveni agele tani wa na ya ti ebon ora e kiawe adomo bogbon meni vie ni na gele awon bowo meni vie princess vie yo me na gele awon bo wo we megele envoji megele magele ya gboma wa bi no ka e bona olileme o ero very o malisa ayo wi osiemata wanigi tai okpa no kwo no ori mo bowo no ri ru mani bona agbe ogbe no me ogbe ogbo mo ara gele yo sisi gbiji mewa bi no wa ka e bona se kin waje o bona olileme ni vie bona ri ti no olileme ne pese vie yo o ama yo sisi gbije mewa ima la sisi ye ko ben wa ka e bona ogbuwa mo gbevi an wa me deni me mo vere mi gana avie o wa bu obun because me mi gbo ide me mi gbo na de o ma gbo to tare o ma kan we kan ani ima ka tie bogue ima be so niwe Gladys no via Madi no Italy. Yes, so he said iga gagle atie bodgie iga gele karo ye iga tie we Gladys Amadi ga de wa ge bona so egbe wa gi he said oh he said oh yeah we have one. He said onare Gladys Amadi uwi moka doro viewe una ladia una so arovi ra una arovi jeme uwe ti magbele ma wa begbe uwe ekiri magbele yan ja hwe wa segwa no yaran toy igwe ni ka yo na gbowo bokia na hu da medu gbe wa tani we ya love you no because we go le viewers me ma go le viewers imaka we ro viewe imaka we ti video me ya ka ro viewe wa segwa uri manya wa hwe my dear a problem na my phone because what you want ladia Malisa put that one journal I also very minutes you we pe voice recording ni ya ti we you give me mate family when I do we they also lo bono mu dia me when we te ya when what ya plan what plan when I to do me we wa ge mo mate family at social media here e be na wo me na we my family matters this no kan di when ya lagwa imasu ni yomoro pa ebo be ni kian wala wa mi agbon wa na ya agbona de social media wala wa na social media na this thing cause social media na dossier problem na dossier ku hu na dossier ku miame na dossier ko logo na dossier ku agba gbe eta then African navy lady other fine ladian or we a jamas or we can stay in Germany after 8 years or after 8 years or we video you go na yet make baba na e no be ladina we stop that kind of video that kind of talk e so we Germany mana that no were no we na ka we and we na we Germany the 8 years e deport one sunu o sunu da we abi et we show me job me tell mama e na we talk we o there you na so gwa pa gbe utoge ma e me na we ladina we gonjo we o man we ti gbe matana Gladys Amadi de na result di kwa ona ladian ona soe wari magbele ma wa family man family wa no joji kiri mana ra we Who do I tell me? Ma, you were big bay. Yeah, we big bay. Hey, okay, Melissa ne ban. You big bay. Hey. Sorry, hold on, miss. Hello? Eh, pardon. Comment ça? Il m'a aidé, fou. Ok, ça. Ok. 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 Ok, ça. Yes. Oh. Et parler de ça, moi, we are go. All right. Hello? 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 So you go as Sabi. I'll talk to you later. Okay, that is how far what are here? Okay, now. At least by tomorrow, you answer via NNB. You show a platform here. No one ya winning, no one ma winning. I'm not interested. All right. Ciao. So, that one. But I'm not going to Menagele onwoji, managele ya ra, managele ya gbele wa wa nu wa kai. E bonati na ro pa so gbo wa gbeme ni vie no tai. E o ena ro video ni. We na ladzia, na do joja ni jime no ma ede. We ni mana ka joja no, ito tagome. Ito tagome, we call him we Monica this, Monica that na we go e mo bobo. Ya dey prove re go na gele o we. Eruka udwa dware imame ansa we the next thing una ladia anyway problem ero Asawe bonenia. Sama dia beli. Orang yang kena baku yang ada gua. Mana coba itu bawa yang lain. Who does that? Anyways. Another one sit there. Oh, boom. Unuma wana ye goma wana woka wa konzaga. O mi akwara no he agoe. Lege asene. Wa be yari e bo wa be atie. Ma be me vi atie ogi mena na we hemeti we tie ogwe be dio. O tie ogwe be dio we mu ade he. Ma ya me dan yo. Aga mi una tie ogi bileku. I will be out for you. Of course. I did see a baby leku. I even do more about Bene. No correlation. Nobody here but of America, but of Canada, but of New Jersey City. Whereas, poto, a gutter house. We gutter. We carry. We not do one with social media. We not do one with social media. I feel no more bonyoze. My go talkere. Hey, sir. Allah wo. Dino na hiwo. Kosoveni ma oni be. It is a go. I'm your I like be now. Yeah, where are we? Dino na hiwo 1, 2, 3. No. Bonane. Oh, tutu Calabar. Ikbe ya vena. Why listen me? Ikbe ya wa show at. Why invite man ya day? How you ja? So no be this one. Don't worry. Ikbe ya vena ko be pe ni ke. Ido mo bare ore gwa. I'm on a way to call this talk. And I'm my ba ije o imi ovi o ije me. Why you agege? Excuse me guys, give me 1 minute.
Sorry guys, I'm back. Yeah, something came up. Wagwi, oh, wagwi. Ik be ya even back and ik be there. Wagwi. A week here, yak be 1 week. 1 week. I make it out taboto. Yeah, repeat. Yeah, my auto repeat. Understand? So, what are we not saying? Consequences. Am I go and see? Price to pay when you did things that are wrong. Or with no market. Uga more ba won ma kenu more ba na mi woni he. Evi na wa mi wo ore na e me bono. Because why more salobua. But why ebo? Why so more? Why more salobua? Why more salobua? O se na be we ni na. Why more salobua? Awa. O ma more salobua de. Hello, excuse me. Hello. Where are you? Yeah, sorry guys. I beg man no verse. I beg something came up very important. And you know so they go so yeah tie me. So you money more here because I'm not giving me that permission in more here. So you may tell in there then in more here we are going we vani we can amuya ri can na ri begia. So as far as I'm not giving me that permission in more here. So here got me bending over here. Here ya hwenye. So also na ladia wa gui ah yourself why kesi lo wa weki so wa gui unda azie ba ma bia izesien ememe azie ba ma agazesien ma understand so no gbe wo de nemi anania woni ya zesien wona we do laptop mu o kia mu ni o udo ya zesin udo ya kamia ke na do emu we no we yan yo sigbije mewa o ya hian o ya zesin o ke no na sunu ma understand o ya te ke no na sunu ko se na me ke no na sunu tu wa gbagbe ko fun ogbe ma emi mi ri u we ra u nia we wa ba oge gun wa tu gbe jasi pa yo gbe o possible so me ma yo ni me ri nya gbe anybody gun
So for that simple reason, why to work back bene why ya is tell me who was say wo no we do laptop mu oga you baje so you can call in for your contribution if you want this time or because it might be for we need a break. But when I want my contribution, you can call. You know the number to call. When you're in Germany, you can call 0152 1699 1661 99 1661. Yeah. Then if you are calling on WhatsApp, you can call +49 176 20 520 893. Yeah. +49 +49. Deal. Oh, what's in my band when my phone now? Okay, where? So it's like that, my dear people. I beg. I want you other year a fena. Yeah, advice. What is your name and where are you? Bomo, you are here. Peace you understand me now? Oma heke. Na me yet I repeat if you want me to repeat the course. Ni amugbe. Plastic rubber. Ya ti kake ni amugbe lizard. Ya ti repeat I subscribe. So it's like that. My easy. My understanding me now. So if on the contrary, yeah, hello. Okay. Yeah. Yes. Okay. Okay. What no? Awe kuno roye na calling me, understand. So email adian because yet it when yet guya go we life for my possible. Yes. Okay. Okay. I don't know. You are right. Thank you. Yes, you are right. You are right. Where's it? Thank you, darling. Thanks for your contribution. I give my lad there. Why he done your contribution? Oh, it's too much. Go. Are you to Oba Juju? Is tomorrow they are going to Oba Juju? Alas, Lolo. I read small comments before I go replay them again. May they not come near do carry your mother home. I don't my bug beer. Don't my bug bomber. Yeah, we bake so that no man home. Yeah, we are any area. Yeah, we home. Now, you both should help me share this video out so that it can reach, it can go viral. Just like the way plastic rubber go viral. Yes, I was really, in fact, I don't know how to describe it. So please share this video so it can also go viral. So anywhere she is, she's sitting down, she will not see that the trumpet that she played. I want someone gbe yone. That is it. Oh, yeah, hello. Do you want me to put it on air? Oh yeah, go now. Will you talk to me first? I never know. Oh yeah, we're going to go now. Okay, okay, okay. Amana, let's see. Ciao. So you see, everybody is angry. Agboya mo. Why take benefit the only year? Or one who walk back be who we joma. And you used to see be wa we are kona. Eh? Okay, so that is it, my people. So you will get mind. No do ya ta why you see bijo wa ron power. Who we ready? Now we are facing the consequences. We have been talking about consequences of lying. That is a topic. Consequences of lying. Evna mievo na hin. Evna mievo o wa gege to ta wa pagbe. Uwe. Wa tierai. Oh yo abia yo. Just imagine. Just imagine. The insult. Just imagine. The insult was on the higher side. Ima kporu no sugbo we. Ima we kporu ma we vie tie wo dogo me vie. Ah, diju. No so ro bi ra me. Na tiere oyoyo abia yoyo. Ide ni we gbegbe. Ide o. Ide na wa we tie me. Who be this one? Plus. So na London. I beg. Ani some London people I beg. No. They know somebody be they call me. Who does I want make another where? Eh? Matia Bonwe. Eri besta. Eri one ona. Okay, no. Okay. Ona soon. I web. So me had a plan before they will call me back, but they say they call me. So me I quickly play this part again. Yo. No. Okay. I beg. Ideo. Why go? Hello? Minuta. Okay. Sorry guys. It said to me na my assim. Ah,
do atia yo tia re na maizi awa atia yo tia mere wala wo wagume gige finish na ne. 3 4. Okay, the next few minutes we should be out of here, so let me replay it because I will go continue obun aron pa no we Vivian on I who no we do wa me on get bunny abi tie yo. So yeah, we be so that ni ewu yan ma ho ya wa we me adu la topi mo kina do mo to kan yata.
Yeah, no, I'm back now. Yeah, no, if you are where? Yeah, I wear. Engaging and young, you're not a little towards you. You're not a little towards you. I don't know if you have that. And I'm the one I'm the other thing I got you. Oh, one. That's the end of one. You don't know what I'm about. I get you, but I need you. I got you for what I was over. Oh, if you're not going to put it there, I'm not looking at you. Or if you have to get one, Melissa, that's the radio here. I hear you for a minute in London. Then I like a little Tanya, a voice I have to do one. Then I say I have to do one, or you came out of my back. All back on the line, Yahweh Melissa, Yahweh London. There is no idea. I get the better about the idea. A good one of the idea. All the one of the
Okay. Thanks. Okay. So now let that 2 video I go play for today because the naked ya iwe mona beti here ekpe ni ahwe here ekpe va ya hwe ekpe va oni ekpe for the next 1 week wa akpe when wa ya ladian wa ya suma ladian ni mana ka pe ti wa imaka sunu ye ni wa imaka mo bogbere wa wi ju wa imaka tie bo mo nu wa wona wa ladian wona so atie me the consequences say na him na me wona him you absence iga ka gele tie bo nu wa enu wa kai o wa we mo ka do tie bo nu wa mo ka we nu wa la wa mo ka we ado kulu wa la wa me ere ni wa no ya kulu wa la wa me ma ere ni wa no e bo wa ta me na ere ni wa no avagbe. So my people, so erio ide e bata no roto, I understand. So who can set wa iladian
no do aro vijoma mi no gba kaka understand mi no gba I suppose I went am we dan egbe I we dan we bi ma we na ga ti ebo gije ga wa ro wi o ga rubbish me worry because me we wa ma me onu wa yaje ibe kai bully ibe kai I dey find viewer awa we take care oni when I vie kia wa we do dam yo wo when no better we na social media mat we do dam yo wo wa we say gwa no we atai you know we say wo e no swim so we me cat we a rovi me met you when we do go me via hwiamu e bonite amagbo ya opake Oduwa ya ona giwe vie picture me ni mana karo vie we na vie picture me Facebook we una ga nanne una ga mo bogbe yiwe una mu gbe mo nu bie una ga mo bogbe mo nu bie di lovet una mo bogbe mo nu we bie when oruwe gota when I beg that when I social ask when I no do when I minu we do ya agu me gwa when I me go no je respect et bioro e picture ya gwa me no bet ye me oni mojo iri duani if no chat e picture so ni agbele you we o fi na mugwe wa wo bi fi am picture na e ya take gbele you we na bet e get no need because a lawyer will not feel with you understand even you monu no me wana we ho so when no eti say no ma wo jo like gbe when we gbe the consequences na me ewo Malisa ayogbe usie mata what time any wa give our we gangi we lolo abie you wa Mercy Bello wa gbadue we to do gbina ne edu tai gbina na no go do gbina fo because ye manadi we ladian go se gwane is why all you we ladian just get it in mind two we must to ladian e ba ni emeje so that do ya tami mo ameme mani magbelewa o do ya me family me there when there result the kwa o we do ya meme kiri magbele ma violeji de ba when ya bere ki o tele here wina o do ya tai when we ya here ma gulo family me degbe o do ya tai o so nyame gbomu egbe niya o ya gbe bata me yo gwe niya cause me fiori me yo wene o ya gbogbo me wa di holiday yo o we gbede gbe obi na kona iwe to tai wana ne edwa so duania so me ve to tai ne gidigba ebode yes so it's no shame and disgrace you know what shame and disgrace oh yalla wa shame and disgrace reproach when I tell reproach o mo no dey reproach o mo no dey ozan ari si dunya odio we o gbe wa wo yan o ma kan yan we no wa kan yan ma de kan kaka ijeme idiori sete but what to ta all is way what the stick yeah wa buna o e me wo ma be battery mi ari loto o me ari ari be no si balota ita mi ari na we o si balota ari be na no da ya awa ga le Facebook wa o social media wa kinu wari wana mio no bu wa re ba le ti wa do tell wa ense wo cause agbona wa o fu ire and I for you ori me for you agbon ya we mi no so go me na o mama titi o wa be no ya titi e yes ono me kan me do re me no ma vie motos dore no ma vie motos dore no ma vie yo dore o vie yere ni mo se me suge no ma vie yo dore no ma vie motos dore no ma vie yo dore vie yere ni mo se me suge enini amayigo do eyo eno bonoba eri meno kwato go bale na ga yo eno bonoba ya no I don't know I kure mo veri meni nu gwe sunu je ni eni ori fu dere ni nagele wa hono veni wa eni ohu ijungwa ni tagoro ero pa be sunu Awa ki be wa goro la de yoko wa ebo ete. But bere I wanna film no bukwa e ma gbonkin. Oh we no wa de o ma ke na gbomure, o ma ke na gborie. Go. We wa fi we show me your to your love you gele vie. Oh that's imagine gele so we ya vie. White time no gele what the pillow what the unya we tiny last ka shake up wa. Me shake bon ya shake. We tell last card me shake e dian. Me shake ne. Ah wa gele shake na. Ah wa. Aga wowe na wikia plastic rubber ida boske ida nene una ga file magboto wa na wa o tele file magboto wa na mu gboto na wa na clear ni ma be nu wa ise oto nu gwegi do mari what to say I made the boske I am the liquid rubber I am the this I am the other well ladian no do di da boske o wa no da boske to ladian o ladian le biebi ma be me wa ladian na mo di liquid metal mo wa metena me ladian ma be o me mo le yes mo ladian ma be gyo no do go metal me to bon ta a go be tie wa ko be ni wie I wa be kun ni o se na wa dey off so that I wa atie me ni wi ma o ti ga di wi na e o I wa be ready ni ya kun ni that do ya kun ni ore I wa be mo gbe so by tomorrow the same time boy on me early I will notify wa so that why we re la diana do tie bege I do play no okay I wa play I hear wa play you understand then I where down never set wa when you take permission where I walk on no na okay ni play oni I hello all this video ya mo yo ya paste bon so at no my can we be ya mo me page me bani o ya gai then akwe beti ore viona wu ika beti ene ba mo repeat be no we do la top mu wa lo enwe no bu wa ama ti we mo mi meju go bo we ma ti me no me we o ko ma we do yen la top mu o ya de ize no me onu kama o ma no hi wa se go ya ta mi e wo don o so nya mi o se igbo wa gbo. So it's like that. So no wala no my kind why me nevenda. Yes. Because the money buga o where he vie and wa do vie je wa gbe oni. Social media was worldwide. The money down here recording te ya so. He has a teammate when why worry why zigbe was it you only need the time. And the God who made me a lockdown and they total lockdown out here. Hell yo corona driver centers mete wa le ticket Nigeria ni pa ayan ka wa heme yo ni imi wa fly every minute pa ne I the holiday we see una yen we come woni ejo can take 2 weeks is crashing matanane we even like na kede dia adi eta yawo o mi ona o we ni we ko we o mi ona ogu we ni we no go to bu ya gele ya shun we na ni abe wo mu AIT the last day wa bege they pay AIT ne wa video a live on direct and then ati ebonu o mo na mi eri ladian o mo na mi malisa ri ladian ya mo bogbe ya mo gba video I mo AIT wa be moye ATV we make na re kin wado e kin okwa no en ave ya we wona eneneni na yovio maso so in one wa jamais so en wona yovio maso imasi gbina yo to no ya do mwezi gbina ima ka won wa bure ira ka tie we yeye malisa ya ka ye fo me tie we yeye e bona so we gbina ka ya tie we wo tie ne ni to ta home wo tie ne me ma ti we nu regere wo ti me we regere so de nu do agbe me ba nu rovie na bi je me ba me na la sisi yeko I like be bunny. If I understand. When you marry na he sevani na we are just crossing. We have just got to the point that all drastic issue, we take a drastic decision as well. Yeah. And now I take a decision ya yina. All can suffer social media. I be okwe bono warina. All can suffer you. We man no ma gwa we no ga kita guy gwe ka break up when e be den we not here baby When I'm a bug baby, my baby. Okay, also a tomba. Have you? I'm well at Jamba. I me one home a voice in me ya gwala me. No, we just a voice in a voice no. When I like to know I'm a bug baby. When I'm on me a war, when I'm a bug baby. Ona gwe mwe bug bovioma. When I will me a war. Ah? Analyze the picture where you are going. But yes, soon anyway. We make an eye where here when you home and okay. Here where so what? So what a move well at you. Lash you way. I can lash you work cabo. I said lash you lash you. Oh, we hear you go come we go where the boys do not walk away. When I'm a book baby, my matter never can wear. I can wear. I will soon you wear. No, I don't know. I tell bomb also maybe so way. What's mess away? So, no, my dear people. So, like, seriously. So, all action has consequences. So, the consequences of any action you get, you bear it. You caught for it. You will bear it because why you caught for it. Why be it? Alright, I'm very abuwa. Every second way. So anybody no there go monoba wa here. Why seva a video ni kaya tie bonu wa be manya. Because a video me send that Guiana. My first video is send that Guiana. My second video if send that Guiana. They are watching it. You want subscribe yo. Wa refo wala wo. So I'm making a re. Can you mena gle katie bogge. I'm walk by na swini eh. Hero na. Let's call a spade. Do I mean wala wa. Didn't say about it, my temenda. Why you quick benado de why you cosa get do de tamuwa? Ah, Gijanania. Anime when I suno do sununa. Why you cosa get de? Why you cool wood de? Why you quite bodo de? Up magbina bakpawane, I'm back at bene. Ritamuwa. Ritam no we gunya guavo. Maybe swing you where wena, lare, lare. Oh. It was a general talk. Everyone have gone your home. Except what my tell on my going. A bonnet never so but I am yet to a mock a lot to a matema. Ijo. We make a bona. Oh, Zanza. Okay, Zanza. Oh, Zanza. Oh, viewer. Oh, Muwalovier. Can we have one eke of Via Lovier? But I will. Because it's the same wish. Oh, we wish on one, and we're wishing many. Maybe we're about to send down the webinar. Yeah, hello. Yeah. Okay. Huh? Yes. Yes. Yes.
They would behave like Oyibo. Why this one not fit behave like Oyibo now?
I don't know. That not be Oyibo. No Oyibo be that.
Not be Oyibo be husband.
That one Oyibo. They call them one. That one Moroccan. Now you call them one Oyibo.
Ah, okay, na Morocco.
Na Moroccan.
Okay.
Na Arabu.
Okay, na Arabu you marry. Nigerian women now nobody where they no go marry. Just imagine they go marry Afghanistan, they go marry Iraq, they go marry everybody.
Anywhere one person find in love if he marry that not be issue.
You know good for Nigeria to marry.
Okay,
Arabu,
leave that matter. Tell us your contribution and tell us your advice. I don't know what you want to talk.
My contribution is say all these our Nigerian women when you say them full for social media they make quarrel, make they use their social media they do good thing. Make them not they fight every time. Make them not they talk with they don't know.
Okay.
If you with the person they quarrel, face them, talk to them. Not go they bring papa for Nigeria, not bring mama for Nigeria, not bring anything where concern that person family. Why people they not get sense? Now that's not they very against for.
Okay.
Because me I believe say as I dey now like this, as I dey do my video now they go now. I know just they go they cause person mama, person papa. Now you when I see now you have to talk to. I know they talk to anybody where they your house or anybody where be your sister or your mother. Make them stop this character no good. In the character not good. Make them not they involve their family where they for us. Make them they talk by themselves because they say anybody where prepared to go fight, you go prepare the say you go wound for head. Make them face themselves, make them leave their family.
Yes.
And my mom do that, my sister.
Thank you very much.
Yeah.
Bye.
Yeah. Bye.
So guys, thank you for joining. Yeah. Mm. 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 Okay. 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 All right. Okay. Okay. Let's see. So now so we see him. My beg done. For we can watch the demede. A message in me what's here now. Doris, ibere a message we. When one you o come from a go na si o mayiko. O ga ewe nu wege de babona. O mienwa era ima we. Ige uma ege gange lolo we gange melisa we uki. Yeah. But iga we be me comment we one ya block you. Two, imwe bogboy. Cause he ain't your real name. I'm one with you. Ima only exposed one. Also know what in 1 month. We are begging no soon. Yeah, we be me comment you we block you. When it time when do me or da do tamugwe or ma do tamugwe na gayo sig bijugwe wa. When na bi go masunu. Do it we have here. Abi bogboy. Abu ono ne bonati no gbo mo. Iti gwe mana abi platform gwe sieve na hin. Abi platform plastic rubber na hin. Abi platform moge agama lizard na hin. You know where? A platform abi you wanna hear. No na do a comment nonsense we mana iga we gbe mi oma. Iga gbe mi comment we. Wa bege no sunu. Aya wolu bo ya ni ladian. Gangi gbo e. Uju je mere gbo ba gbo se. O se gbo ba gbon. Doris. Mo gbe mi oma. Na block wa se wa yon. I block wa na wa lo bono ladian. Very a wobian human somebody. Very any human being. Oh. I wanna wa. Aga ihe no. Ihe bono so era gbona. E bono so era gbona. Oh. So that is it, my dearest people. And I want to appreciate one person. I want to appreciate two persons, two people, one people. Then they say one people. No, two people. Okay, not two. Okay. One person, two person. I want to appreciate them. When he was kakaka. What is somebody can appreciate one case with program na bet. Agree. Because where yeah we know je na. So I want to appreciate our daddy. Ero ware club you and Ewayo Bow at club ni. Ewayo Bow
of Bini. Only a who. No, jodo yari no do. Ikwo no eweta dueki. Ikwo no kungo do salto. Mene princess vina do tu wa ya vede ne viva yo bo. Ewie Bushers Association. Busher Association vekyoba. Do appreciate wa ya fefere no. Kate erima. Ma ve do miti wo wae. No ve ero gwima. No ve era no mudziane. Ni ma ya fefefe. Kat yes. O ma ve you know erima the Ayobaha of Benin Kingdom. AKA Adunimose Bobizwa. Or talk be the Ayobaha of Benin Kingdom. Again, I love boy we wa ujanomo. Zede Ohian negbe ohoy. Ohin no negbe nuhian. Ohin ranuhian. Otera nuta. When we are mudiano tene, we are mudani Monica. Well, when we are ready, uja boy, Baba, mi osiba. Osiba here wa munu. Osiba sena munu we. Uza. Era. Ohi. When we are mudiani ma be mitini. Era. Or ebe yera we bonana ti ye do mitini. Ti date. Era. Ohi. Emiti la mano. Eke la my do. Imado kiz enough wa. Eke no wa. Ebusha. Una ebushara. Eke no eke wani megono. Eke bieka. Eke ma ba. Busha. Dealer Association. Oni no mama. Gele we market woman. We mama se me. Mama avena. Era wa talk be. Adunimose. Ogiolo se. We se baba. Ya ima tia we. Igene mi rokba. Imana ya watia we ni emi ana gene mi. Emi ana gele we yes on ma yo me we jira from time. Even in one day. We rock beba on me oji. Yes. The great Adunimose. Era na beg on ye asoma. Eko ivu. Era no aso bobo hwe okiro no go gas la wa yume. Wo ye kede no wa ke yo egbe. We see ava. For the warm words that you use in embracing our sister Monica. So I really appreciate it. Wa talk be. Iwe awa appreciate we na kakabo. Because uyagbe. Era ohi. Wa talk be. Egieni elobo we ye baba. We say. So bo adebawe. We akawe. Iyo monu abieno. E no ri tsaya fefe. Uja boy. Wa talk be. So that one is for that, for our daddy Bobizwa Adunimose, the Ayobaha of Benin Kingdom. We see our me no we princess Evie Eriyo, although ikbun we denena zeboe ota no suwa eserima watokbe. So that one for that. I want to appreciate another person who have really been in my life. And in support, but I will not mention his name. He know himself. I want to really appreciate you because, in fact, in difficult time like this, you were there. You stood by me and said, "Carry on. I am with you. Do this. I stood by you. Do that. I am with you. Do corner. I'm with you. Even in the dream, wake me up. I will always stood by you." I want to appreciate you. Thank you very much. And thanks to all my friends, my supportive friends. I want to really appreciate you guys. You guys are awesome. You guys are too much. Thank you for being part of me. Without you guys, there is no me. That is the truth. There is no me. I want to appreciate you guys. You guys are awesome. There is nothing to describe you guys. You people are too much. Now let kiss after they give them. Be big one. Ya wari enwa waya wese kakabo kate Suzy wese for being there. Precious Meg, I appreciate you. You are a darling, my PA. Thank you for words that will always come. And also our lady Diakataka. Thank you very much. I really appreciate it. And happy birthday again the celebration was awesome. Happy birthday and many more years of celebration. I wish you a long life, and throughout this trial, that the Lord will always be your strength. So I really appreciate you. Happy birthday to you once more and many more years of celebration. You're welcome, everybody. Thanks a lot. Tomorrow is another day. Please, I will state the time that we are going to meet tomorrow, so that at the end we'll have time to watch more of the video that are still lined up. We have about 6-7 videos that we have not played. So anyone, when you hear your name, I beg, may you run, go find out what you do, and you go hear from the Justice Mouth for years, say what you do. Now me they go swear. If not truth you talk for that person body, we will swear put. If not be truth, we will see swear put. Yeah, now do well. Now happy Sunday. We will see again tomorrow. I get time now, not be next week again. Every day we will enter life now. I don't take holiday for this matter with the grant. A very strong matter. This will not be matter where they sleep, forget. So this will not be matter where they rub face. This will not be matter where they play. So the next swear now, we not go the year. Now of here, we see come, we swear. So that's not go the year one after the other. Because I know if you use this kind of thing to sleep, you yourself, you where we are with beggy. I am boy in the do set yavi. Yavi me away. You understand? Ijo, hono some. Ijo. So I won't pass it while at the end. On the more let's see you. We have yen. That means some more done. Oh, money. No. No, it delete. No, understand it well. You understand? So stay blessed, my loved ones. We'll see you again tomorrow. Thank you, and God bless you. Hello. Okay. Man. Oh. Emma. Okay. Oh. Adio. That's your word with Banco. You there? Sorry, you there? That's your word with. Yeah. So that is it, my sister. Somebody just anyway. Only mari mata. Ahwe. Agavi migbe. Ahwe yebero wa wese kakabo. Love you guys. See you guys same time, same station. Don't forget to subscribe. Now because I'm not subscribed, now make una not come. When I go subscribe, when I go click the notification button so that as I enter, I feel not even announce. Before you see now, I could just jump enter. Bam, don't finish. Alright guys. Bye for now. Love you guys.